Now we're going to try finding equivalent fractions without a picture. So my fraction is 3/5. So if I look over here, I don't have a numerator, but I do have a denominator. So I'm going to look at my denominators. 5 times what gets me 10? 5 times 2. So what I do to my denominator, I have to do to my numerator. So times 2. 3 times 2 is 6. So my equivalent fraction is 6/10. 3/5 is equivalent to 6/10. Number 4. I have 5/5. We learned that if the top number and the bottom number are exactly the same, it equals 1 whole. So I know that this is also going to equal 1 whole. So 5 times what gets me 10? 2. What I do to the top, I have to do to the bottom. So 5 times 2 is 10. 10/10 is the same thing as 1 whole. So 5/5 is equivalent to 10/10, which is also equivalent to 1 whole. Last example, number 5. I have 4/10. Over here, I have nothing in the numerator and 5 in the denominator. So since this number is larger, I could either divide to get smaller, or I can just go to the opposite way. 5 times what gets me 10? 2. 5 times 2, because you have to do the same thing, equals 4. So I know that 2 times 2 equals 4. So 4/10 is equivalent to 2/5. Now if I were to do it the division way, I'm just going to rewrite it down here. I would have 4/10 again is equivalent to blank over 5. Okay, now I can divide. Since I don't have my numerator, I cannot do anything with the numerator yet. I can go to the denominator because they both have a denominator. 10 divided by what equals 5? 10 divided by 2 equals 5. So I'm going to do division up here as well. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So if you have a larger fraction and you're going down to something smaller, you will divide. But if you're not comfortable doing that, stay with your smaller ones and multiply and go larger.